The Gantt shows the schedule as a calendar view, but sometimes you might want to export the schedule to a PDF or Excel file to distribute or make notes. Locate your Activities tab in the lower left-hand corner. Click Activities. You will see your work centers listed. Click to select. If you wish to select multiple work centers, you can hold down your Shift key and click multiple work centers. Your schedule displays in the grid. Click your export icon and select the format you wish to export to. I selected Excel. My information comes over to Excel. I can edit, save, change, or print.